First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Oh, it's good to see the sunshine finally after a kind of a cold and dreary weekend. We had rain, then we had even some snow flurries around, then the cloudy skies, and temperatures didn't really move all that much. Finally, we're getting a southerly wind flow combined with sunshine, and that's helping our temperatures warm up here pretty nicely. Here's a look at First Alert live Doppler radar. Looking good after seeing a few flurries around the area this morning along the Bluegrass and Western Kentucky parkways. All that's gone now. Still some clouds out to the east, but we're at a pleasant, for this time of the year, a pleasant 45 degrees as we check mesonet sites around the area, starting to warm up nicely. Look at that, 47 in Franklin, 46 Elkton, Russellville, Greenville, Madisonville, Hopkinsville. Still a cooler 39 up in E-Town, still seeing a few clouds up in Hardin County, and especially out to the east, you're still contending with some of the low clouds that we were seeing this morning, but I think just about everybody will start to see a lot more sunshine, less in the way of cloud cover as we go through the afternoon. A little bit of a breeze out there coming out of the south and southwest at 10 to 15, even now up to 20 miles per hour. So even though we are warming things up and that southerly wind flow is helping, it also produces a bit of a wind chill and makes it feel like it's 39 right now in Bowling Green. It does take a few degrees off of the temperature, the actual air temperature, when you get that kind of a breeze going out there, but it looks better. This is much better than what we were seeing over the previous few days. As we look live from the Sleep In weather cam, exit 22 at I-65, just seeing high and occasionally some mid-level clouds, but at least we're seeing some blue sky and some sunshine. 45, the current air temperature, but it feels like it's 39 thanks to that southwest wind at 14 miles per hour. A very dry atmosphere over the area as high pressure takes over. Here is where we're still seeing some cloud cover. As I mentioned, more north and northeast of Bowling Green, like up in Munfordville and Hart County, you're still mainly cloudy. Your temperature at 42, but it feels like 36. Thanks to the winds that are blowing through the area. Greenville at 46, feels like 41, but at least you've got sunshine down Main Street, looking good there in Muhlenberg County, and down to the south of us, Franklin and Simpson County, mainly sunny, 47 degrees there currently. In Mammoth Cave National Park, you're at 45 and mainly sunny with a feels like temperature around 40 degrees. Where's the warmer air coming from? Well, we're getting a more southwesterly flow coming up out of the down into Texas and Oklahoma. 55 Oklahoma City, Dallas, Fort Worth at 55, even Little Rock at 52. The warmer southerly flow is helping move things kind of our direction, and that's certainly good news as we've been kind of in a trough, and by that I mean the upper level jet stream has been digging out the cooler air that's been setting over the area, and the troughy weather which goes with it, which is clouds, occasional precipitation, a lot of that moving away. The really cold weather staying north of us in the Great Lakes while we're starting to moderate here. 45 at the airport, which is 14 degrees warmer than at 11 o'clock yesterday, and that feels pretty good. Now, this morning we had a little weak disturbance move through northeastern Kentucky. It was a little bit of light snow. Cincinnati picked up about an inch of snow out of that little clipper system that moved through. But things are starting to warm up even there, and a lot of that is changing back to rain off to the north and east of us. Ashland, Huntington even got a few flurries around the Charleston area early this morning. As that weak disturbance just kind of makes its way through the area, you won't really notice that much of a change as it's now south of us, but this is actually allowing the sun to come back out and that more southwesterly wind flow to open up. High pressure takes over for the next couple of days, and it's going to be real quiet around here, which we could use some quiet weather for a while, because coming up for the weekend, things do change. We stay warm, but there's looking at least a better chance of rain and maybe even, believe it or not, some thunderstorm activity we could be looking at on during the weekend. Partly cloudy, warmer, or mostly sunny in most cases to the southwest of us. 46, some of you could even get warmer than that. Partly cloudy tonight, back down to 31. Tomorrow, though, we've bumped it up to 48, then 53 on Wednesday. Lots of sunshine both days. Increasing clouds on Thursday, and by Thursday night, rain returns to the picture with a high of 58 degrees. That's running about 10 degrees above average, which is nice. 62 on Friday. There's our thunderstorm chance, and because a system coming in for the weekend parks here all the way through Sunday. Good chances of rain and maybe some heavy rain or flooding potential. We'll keep an eye on that. In the meantime, we'll be back with more Midday Live in just a minute.